to this week's free video with me, Patrick Stockhausen, giving you a blueprint to financial freedom for you as a trader and investor. No, I'm a trader, Patrick. And investor. No, Patrick, I'm a trader. No. You better be both. Why? Because someone's been lying to you. Who? Lots of people. What lie? Trading gives you capital gains. Trading is not designed to pay your bills. Yes, it is, Patrick. I've seen it advertised. Everybody says that. Yep. And stockbrokers can give you winning trades. Don't be so crazy. Listen to me. Nobody works in a hedge fund and sings like trades to pay their bills. Nobody. Why is that, Patrick? Because the fund managers know that if the traders had to trade to pay their bills, they would be crappy traders. They receive a salary and they get a bonus at the end of the year. Are you telling me, Patrick, I can't trade to pay for my bills? No, you cannot. It is not designed to do that. But I've been told that all the time. So was I. And it wasn't until I got involved in this game in a professional capacity that I realized this. Lie. So how do you pay your bills from trading? You don't pay your bills from trading. Anyone that's telling you that is not doing that. Right? Listen. So how do you pay your bills then? You take the money from your trading. Sunday Insiders are going to kill me for telling you this. You take the money from the trading and you buy income generating assets that give you a predictable, reliable income. Think of it this way. It's the first of the month. Your bills are due on the 30th, right? It's the first of the month. Your bills are due on the 30th. There's no trades on day one. Okay, how do you feel? It's all right, Patrick. I've got 29 more days left to go. Correct. It now comes to day 25. You still haven't had a series of winning trades. What are you going to start doing? Apart from crapping yourself. Right? You're going to start seeing things that aren't there. Right? Forcing trades. Trying to make them go on for long. Not taking your profits where you're supposed to. Getting in early. Not following the rules. Not taking the stop. Trying to take more profits. Everything. Listen to me. Right? 99% of the things that you are being told about how to trade is programming you with lies, false beliefs, so that when you approach the market, your mindset is not aligned with the reality of the game. So one of those things is this. You trade for capital gains, and you take the money and you buy income generating assets. Let me tell you it this way, right? Because if you don't believe this, well, think about the following thing. Let's take property investors. What do property investors? Imagine a property investor says, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a house, I'm going to do it up, and then I'm going to sell it, and I'm going to try and take some of that money to pay for my bills. Well, imagine that was his strategy, right? He would screw up. Because he'd now have to try and force the job, do it really quickly, all sorts of... Oh, he did it completely wrong. Everything about that approach would mess him up. But what do they really do? Smart, savvy property investors do the following thing, and developers do the following thing. They buy a property. They develop the property. They sell it for a massive capital gain. They take some of that profit and they put it back into a new and bigger development, and they take some of that money and they buy a property that they rent out to give them a guaranteed, consistent monthly income. Does that make sense? That is the truth. You've been lied to. With that said, let's have a quick look at this chart. Okay? So I just want you to know that you've been programmed, conditioned to be doing the wrong thing. There's so many things out there that are making you have the false, giving you false references, which is programming you to give you the wrong identity, the wrong beliefs, the wrong set of values, the wrong set of beliefs about money, rich people, trading, investing. What you think you should deserve, what you think you're capable of, what you think's possible, and the environment in which you're trying to do it. All of those create your mindset. Those things will determine the state that you are in when you come to do your financial trading and investing. That state will determine the decisions, the focus, and the decisions that you make. Those decisions will determine the actions, those actions will determine the results, and those results will determine your financial destiny. You got that? So we need to recorrect the thing at the beginning, because so many people go, oh, I can't take a stop loss. Oh, I keep getting in early. I don't move it to break even. Oh, I take my profits too early. Oh, I'm taking the profits too late. Oh, I'm not. It's nothing to do with that. That's a symptom. That's a symptom. You can't have a left without a right. You can't have an up without a down. There's some fruit, there's some root. And the root of this problem is what's going on in your mindset and the false lies that have been put into your head that is causing you to do the wrong thing. And you're trying to stop yourself going, oh, I can't take a stop loss. I can't do this. What's wrong with me? What's nothing? Apart from you being told a whole series of lies. So we need to recorrect what's going on in your head. Does that make sense? Right, let's look at the charts. Right. So that's the key. I just want you to know. You say we're looking at the charts. I just want to know. That's the key. You got to solve that first, and then you can do all this other stuff. Trading is supposed to be easy. Just so you know, trading is supposed to be easy. If it's not, you are doing the wrong thing. Right? That means you're not aligned to trade, or you are doing it in a way that is not aligned with the reality of it. Does that make sense? You are either not, you don't really value trading, you want the money, or if you have a value on trading, you're not profitable, it means you're doing it in the wrong way. And the chances are you're doing it the wrong way is because you've been told a whole series of lies that are causing you to do it in the wrong way. It is supposed to be really simple. Trade it. The hard work is all the stuff before the trading. Become the person who can naturally do the do so that you get the result. Be, do, have. Be, do, have. Not have, oh, I want to have that, so I'm going to do these things, but you're not the person to do those things consistently. Right? You become the person who can do the things so you can have the result. Right, Patrick, let's just get on with the chart because you keep teasing them about the chart. I'm coming! We'll get on with it. I'm coming! Right? Listen, the market, right, is testing, right? There's about this here. This I learned from David Elliott. Lots of you on my list know David Elliott, right? Okay, a good friend with David Elliott. The man was at my wedding. Spoke to him every single day. Now, unfortunately, he passed away. And I feel I have a care of duty to make sure people understand how to really do this. Now, here is something that is potentially going to happen. Potentially. You said, well, last time you said about a trade, it did exactly what you said. You said it was going to test that and then it was likely to sell off. And it did it and it sold off. And now, why shouldn't I believe the next thing? Because it's a probability numbers game. I told you you've been aligned with not the truth of this game. I hated actually telling you that. But I thought, you know what? This is super high odds of telling them this. So this is most likely to happen. This could happen, what I'm about to say. But please listen to me. I am not a guru. I can't tell you every single thing that's going to happen. Right? Because I would have $4 gajillion in my account. Right? If that was happen. Yeah, you probably won't be teaching. I'll tell you for a matter of fact, no matter how much I have, no matter what my financial situation was, I would be here right now showing you this chart because I love do this. This is what I feel I am here on this earth to do. To set up my family and to show you how you do the exact same thing. That is why I'm here. That is why I'm telling you this. Does that make sense? That is why I'm here. If you think, I asked people this question. Are you going to show us the chart or not? I am! Just give me a second! Right? I asked people this following question. If I said to you, I'm going to give you $1 million a year. Someone was going to give you $1 million a year. The only condition is you still had to trade. You still had to trade, right? Right? That's the only condition. You get the money, but you still had to trade. Would you trade? Would you do scalping? Would you do day trading? Would you do looking at daily charts? Or would you look more at things at the end of once a week sort of trading? Right? That's to tell you everything about who you are because I meet so many people who've been programmed with the false lies about trading, and they think that they have to do day trading, but they don't really want to do it. So they're doing it in the wrong way. As I was saying to you before, if you're not consistently profitable, listen to me, this is supposed to be an easy game. And one of the easy moves is people have got into this move. And now they're looking for extra confirmation that this is potentially going to hit a minimum of this prior high. And I'll go, this is on the opposite side of this MOBO, the Bollinger Band. This is above the 20. This is above the 50. General consensus is most people will think about getting in this above this prior high here, and then their first target is potentially this. If it doesn't work, that is not how this game works. We don't think about trading about the outcome of the individual trade. You are being lied to. You have seen people saying to you, oh look, we had these trades and they all won, and that is making you think that you have to be right. That is not how the game really works. Does that make sense? So there is the probability that a lot of people are going to get in above this high, and that is going to be their first target. And if it goes beyond that, then there are odds are that it could continue to go higher because of something known as wealth cycles, which I will get into the next time. So I think I've done my bit. I think I've shared more than 11 minutes of information. Till the next time, this is Patrick Stockhausen speaking to you and helping you, inspiring you to become the person who can do the things so that you can get the result that you truly desire. That's what I meant to say. Start taking action by taking stock. My name is Patrick Stockhausen. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye. Hi, it's Patrick Stockhausen here. Did you enjoy this episode? Good. Because if you did, there's two things that you can do right now to continue your journey. The first thing is you can subscribe right here, right now to my channel on YouTube, and I'll keep sending you on a regular basis, on a weekly basis in fact, information, powerful information to transform your trading behaviors and transform your wealth and trading mindset. Plus, you will get specific things that you can do to become a consistently profitable trader. And all you have to do is press subscribe right here on this YouTube channel to get that information sent to you every single week. The second thing that you can do this right now is you can go to takingstock.biz, sign up for any of the priceless free trainings. When you subscribe, you're going to get literally hours of priceless free trainings. Updates on my latest findings, what will empower you to create the results that you desire, and everything else that we do not do on this channel. If you'd like to do that, just go to takingstock.biz, B-I-Z, do that now. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, empower your mind, empower your financial life, so that you can live your version of an inspired life. Take care for now. Bye-bye.